consciousness was a tragic misstep in evolution. We became too self-aware. We are things that labor under the illusion of having a self, programmed with total assurance that we are each somebody. If you don't want, if you don't want, if you don't want, it's gonna rain. Real monsters are gonna come. I need you to stay, even if you don't want. I was lying down, floating through the stream. No curse, no dream, but didn't feel in spines on me anymore. It's gonna rain. Real monsters are gonna come. I need you to stay, even if you don't want. Now grab your eyes, like the shade of a burning nail that slowly fades away. It's in there forever stay. It's gonna rain. Real monsters are gonna come. I need you to stay, even if you don't want. If you don't want, if you don't want, if you don't want, if you don't want. I don't see you, I just feel you. I don't feel you, I just feel you. I don't see you, I just feel you. I don't feel you, I just feel you. It's gonna